Hello. Okay, this is the first review. Oh my goodness. This is the first review for Keystone review. Right here we have 6 problems, front and back, that you're going to complete on your own. And then you're going to check them with this video. So I encourage you to pause the video, stop the video, make sure you've done it on your own. Or when I give you a hint in the beginning of each problem, then stop and try to do it on your own. And then after these 6 questions, you'll be given questions to do on your own to prepare for your Keystone. So the first question says, 4 values are listed below. Which list shows the values in order from least to greatest? We can't compare them if they're not in similar format. So your hint is to take each of these and put them into decimal form. To do that, 1 divided by 7 is about 0.1429. I like to go out 4 places. 20% is 20 out of 100, which is 0.2. Square root, so you press second, square root, 0.5. That is 0.7071. And then the absolute value of negative 0.5 is 0.5, or 5/10, however you want to say it. So least to greatest. I want you to pause the video and I want you to figure it out. So 1 is smaller than 2, or 7, or 5. So this is going to be least. So you know it's not these. Elimination's your friend. The next one would be 0.2, which is 20%. So it's not this. Then 0.5. Yep, that's accurate. That's accurate. Yep, C. Next question. The inequality is shown below. For which values A and B make the inequality true? So we need to substitute 1 in for A and 1 also in for B. So it says, is this true? Not true. Here, let's try it again. We're going to put 1 in for A, 2 in for B. The key here is 15 is less than 4 is not true. So we need numbers really big here to overpower that 15. We just might get it here. Oh, yeah, okay. A is 1, B is 2. 15, A is 1, B is 2. Because 2 to the third is 8. And it worked. So your answer is B. Number 3, it says the greatest common factor between 2 monomials is 3x squared y. If one of the monomials is 3x to the 4th y, which could be the other one? Well, easiest way to explain this is just to go through each one and try it. So if this is your first monomial and this is your next one, okay, what do they have in common? They both have a 3 in common. They only share an x. They only share one y. Is that your GCF? No. Let's try it with 6x squared y cubed and 3x to the 4th y. They both share a 3. They both share 2 x's. They only share a y. Is that your GCF? Yes, it is. To make sure, I would go through each one and say, all right, between 9 and 3, they both share 3. They share 4 x's. They share 1 y. That is not. Okay, and then lastly, they share a 3. They share 4 x's. They share 1 y. This way you're able to tell if you just do them all. Practice can't hurt either. So your answer is B. An equation involving polynomials is shown below. Okay, so we have ax, I'm going to rearrange them by letters, plus 1x minus 3x. So those are your x values. And then we have 5y, positive, minus y, minus minus, so plus by, equals 2x plus y. Well, this massive chunk and this thing are equal. So let's clean it up as much as we can. 1 minus 3 is negative 2. 5 minus 1 is 4. So this compares to this, and this compares to this. Solve for the variable. All right, well, I need this alone, so I'm going to add 2x to both sides, and ax equals 4x. Therefore, a must be 4. And then here, we're going to subtract 4y on both sides. Therefore, b equals negative 3. So your answer is A. See how difficult this is compared to like your delta or just problems in class where you have like 2x plus 3y plus 10x. What does that equal? Okay, that's easy. This is what's going to be on your Keystone. So your answer is A. Number 5, when x is 2, which expression is this? So if I, for each one, substitute in a 2, that's not that. If I substitute in 2 to the next one, can this be broken down? Yeah. So your answer is B. So it's not, you're not going to get a question like this on your Keystone. You're going to get a question like this. Number 6, simplify. It's just saying x can't be negative 2 or negative 1. Just kind of ignore that. Okay. So we're going to take out a GCF of 3. Oops. Then we're going to take out a GCF of 6. Then we're going to factor the top and factor the bottom. Here, factors of 2 are 2 and 1. Here, factors of 2 are 2 and 1, but it's going to be a positive 2, negative 1. The larger of your factors gets the positive. This will simplify. And then this will simplify to a 1/2. And all you're left with is this. So your answer is C. Now, when it says negative 2, negative 1, they're saying if I put a negative 2 in here, that'll make 0, and we don't like that. If I put a negative 1 in here, we don't like that. So just kind of ignore that. Okay, that's it. So what you're going to do is the multiple choice questions afterwards, and then hand in this packet, and I will check your work, and you'll receive points for the ones that you got correct.